class of standard 7th. In the previous class already have learned the meaning of percentage, how to convert the fractions into percentage and also decimals into percentage and percentage into fractions and decimals. With some examples I explained you. I hope that all of you understood the things. Now on that basis we are going to solve the exercise 8.2. Please give attention, very important. The first main, convert the given fractional numbers into percentage. So what is the first main? Convert the given fractions to percents. So already I explained you with some examples. So let us see now one by one. 1 by 8. How to convert 1 by 8 into percents? You know 1 by 8 into 100 we have to write. So now we cancel it. 4 2s are 4, 25s are 25 ones are 25 by 2. Okay. Now 2 ones are, or if you cannot cancel, this will come in the decimals. So 25 by 2 you divide in the working column. See here 25 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 0. Take the 5 down. 2 2s are 4, 1 remain. So 12 integer 1 by 2. This is nothing but 12 integer 1 by 2%. Fraction is converted into percent. Okay. I hope you understood. Next comes 5 by 4. The second one is, that is B, 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is converted into percents. Multiply by 100. Okay. 4 ones are 4 25s are 25 5s are 125%. Finish. Now the same way 3 by 40. 3 by 40 into 100. 0 0 got cancelled. 2 2s are 2 5s are. Now 5 3s are 15 by 2. Again you divide it here. 15 divided by 2. 2 7s are 14. 1 remain. 7 integer 1 by 2. This is nothing but 7 integer 1 by 2%. So the same way we will do the fourth one, that is D. D, that is 2 by 7. 2 by 7 into 100. See now we cannot cancel it here. What to do? 100 into 2 is 200 divided by 7. See now we will divide here in the working column. 200 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. Here 6 remain. Take 0 down. 7 8s are 56. 4 remain. So 28 integer 4 by 7%. Okay. So this is what method of converting the given fractions into percent. Okay. The first main got over. Second main we will see now. Convert the given decimal fractions to percents. Second main. Convert the given decimal fractions. The given decimal fractions to percents. Okay. The first one is 0.65. Okay. Very easy. How to write this one into the fractions 65 by 100. 65 by 100. Okay, 65 by 100 is very easy to write into percent, that is 65%. If the denominator is 100, directly we can write into percentage. 65 by 100 is 65%. Then second one, 2.1. See, 2.1. This can be written as 21 by 10. See, now directly we cannot write into percentage. Why? Because in the denominator there is no 100. What it is? Here it is 10. What we have to make it? We have to make it 100, or you know 21 by 10 is a fraction. How to convert it to percentage? Into 100. So 0 0 got cancelled. 21 into 10 is 210%. 210%. Okay. Then 0.02. 0.02. See here, 2 by 100. Units times 100. 2 by 100. This is very easy to write into percentage. Why? Because the denominator is having 100. So 2% is the answer. So given decimal fractions into percentage, very easy to convert. Please give attention. Then the next one is 12.35 is equal to 1235 by 100. Okay, because in the hundreds place there will be decimal, so 100. This is nothing but 1235%. Very easy to write these all things. This is what the second main. Then the next comes third main. So please copy all these things in the first semester fair note only, arithmetic fair note. Already many times I repeated this one. So continue in that only, neatly, systematically take the sums one by one. Now the third main, some figures are there. Find the percent which is colored. See, first one, you take the main heading. Okay, I will draw the figure and write the fraction for that, and that fraction will be converted into percents. Estimate what part of the figure is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. Okay, now first one is I will draw here. Okay, now see, this is one part. This is shaded here. Colored it is. Okay, like this it is. What is the part of the figure is colored? Fraction is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Suppose see, if you extend this, how many parts will be there? 4 parts will be there. In that 1 by 4. What is the percentage for that? So this implies that 1 by 4 into 100. 4 ones are 4 25s are 25% is shaded part. 25% is the shaded part. Now the second one. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In that, see how many parts are shaded? 3 parts are shaded. Three parts are shaded. Now we write the fraction for the given figure. What is the fraction for this? Fraction is, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. Out of 5, how many are shaded? 3 are shaded. 3 by 5 is the fraction. So this implies that 3 by 5 into 100. 5 ones are 5, 20s are 23s are 60% of the figure is shaded. 60%. 60% of the part is shaded. Now the third one, the third figure I am going to draw now. You draw neatly. You will be having all the instruments to draw neatly. See now. Okay. In this, how many parts are shaded? Here 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. How many parts are shaded here? 3 parts. 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. Now totally how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. So what is the fraction? Fraction for this is totally 8. So in that 3 are shaded, 3 by 8. So this implies that 3 by 8 into 100. 4 2s are 4, 25s are 75 by 2. 75 by 2, we have to divide it. See in the working column, 75 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 remain, 15. 2 7s are 14. 1. 37 integer 1 by 2% is the answer. So keep it in the mind. When to multiply with 100 to get the percentage, when to write the denominator 100. So keeping these all the points in the mind, see what doing the exercise. Now the fourth main will do. Now the fourth main, find. Fourth main is find. First one in that 15% of 250. 15% of 250. See here, 15% means 15 by 100. Of means into 250. See, 0, 0 got cancelled. 5 2s are 5 5s are. So this is nothing but 15 5s are 75 by 2. 75 by 2 means, just now we have done here, 75 by 2 is 37 integer 1 by 2 or 37.5 is the 15% of 250. Okay, I hope you are following. The same way, second one, B, 1% of 1 hour. 1% of 1 hour. See, 1% means 1 by 100. Of means into. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So here you can write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 0 0 got cancelled. 2 3s are 2 5s are 3 by 5%. Okay, this is fourth main. Second one I have done. The same way now we will go for the third one of the fourth main. See, what is that? 20% of 2500. 20% of rupees 2500. What is 20%? 20 by 100. Of means into 2500. 2 zeros got cancelled. 25 20s are 25 2s are 50. 500 rupees. 20% of 2500 is rupees 500. Then the last one, that is D, is 75% of 1 kg. 75% of 1 kg. You know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. We have to use this. So this implies that 75 by 100. 75% means 75 by 100. Of means into 1 kg means 1000 grams. 1000 is enough. No need to write the grams. Now 2 zeros got cancelled. 75 tens are 750 grams. This is what the fourth main. Now I am going to continue the fifth main. See the fifth main. Fifth main. Find the whole quantity if find the whole quantity if the first one is 5% of it. 5% of it is 600. See, try to understand here. 5% of it. It means what here? We have to consider it as a x. Here first solution. How to write? Here consider whole quantity as x. So this implies that 5% of x is equal to 600. This is whole quantity that we don't know. We have to find out it. 5% of what is 600. So here in place of what, that is x. 5% means 5 by 100. Of means into. X means unknown variable 600. Now x is equal to 600. This will go this side. Here it is multiplication. When it goes that side, that is division. Division means it will be reverse. 5 by 100 will become 100 by 5. So here 5 ones are 5. Here 1 remain 10. 5 twos are 10. 0. So x is equal to 120 into 100 is 12,000. 12,000. See, if you want, you can verify this. How to verify? See here, verification. If you want, you can verify it. Verification. How to verify? 5% of x here. This we have to take. We have to get the answer 600. 5% of x. That is 5% of x means what? 12,000. So this is 5 by 100 into 12,000. 2 zeros got cancelled. 12 5s are 60. That is 600 is the answer. This is verification. So better you have to do verification so that whether your answer is correct or not, you can verify here only. Okay. So the second one. Second one, B. 12% of it is 12% of it is rupees 1080. Rupees 1080. Okay. Now it's the same way. Let whole quantity be x. Anything you can, either like this you can write or like this. Whole quantity be x. Okay. This implies that 12% of x is equal to 1080. Okay. 12% means what? 12 by 100. Of means into. X is equal to 1080. So x is equal to 1080 into 100 by 12. Now 12, no? We have to cancel it. 4 3s are 4 2s are 8. Here 2 remain, 28. 4 7s are 28. Here 0 4 zeros are. So x is equal to 270 into 100 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 90s are 3 9s are 27. 3 zeros are 0. So x is equal to 90 into 100 is 9000. The same way we can verify, verification. Whether our answer is correct or not, we can verify and get it here. So, how to verify it? 12% of x must be 1080. We have to get the answer. 12 by 100 into 9000. 2 zeros, 2 zeros got cancelled. 12 nines are 108, that is 1080. Exactly our answer is correct. This is what the second one in the fifth main. Now third and fourth I am going to do. Third, fourth and fifth. Now the fifth main, third one, 40% of it is 500 kilometer. First what we have to do? Let the whole quantity be, x. So this implies that 40% of x is equal to 500. 40 by 100 into x is equal to 500. X is equal to 500 into 100 by 40. 4 ones are 4, 25s are. So x is equal to 25 5s are 125, 1250 kilometer. So x is equal to 1250 kilometer. So we will do the verification. How to do verification? Already you observed two problems. Verification. 40% of x is equal to 500. So 40 by 100 into x is equal to into x. X means 1250. 0 0 got cancelled. 5 2s are 5 25s are 2 1s are 2 20s are 25 20s are. Answer is 500. So the answer is correct. Next, D. 70% of it is 14 minutes. Okay. Let the whole quantity be x. Let the whole quantity be x. Then this implies that 70% of x is equal to 14. 70 by 100 into x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 into 100 by 70. 1 0 1 0. 7 1s are 7 2s are. X is equal to 10 2s are 20. 20 minutes. Okay. Now we will do the verification whether the answer is correct or not. Verification how to do? 70% of x. 70% means 70 by 100 into here 20. 0 0. 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 1s are 5. 14s are 14 5s are 70. 5 1s are 5. 2 remain 4s are. Answer is 14. Answer is 14. Verification is done. The answer is correct. So the last problem in the fifth main is 8% of it is 40 liters. 8% of it is 40 liters. Okay. Let the whole quantity be X. Let the whole quantity be X. So this implies that 8% of X is equal to 40. So 8 by 100 into X is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 into 100 by 8. 8 ones are 8 fives are. So X is equal to 500 liters. Okay. Now we will do the verification whether it is correct or not. Okay. Now verification. 8% of X, that is 8 by 100 into 500. 0 0 cancel. 8 5s are 40 liters. Yes, exactly. The correct answers we got. So this is what the method of solving the problem as well as the verification. See here children, in the exercise 8.2 there are 10 mains. Now I have completed 5 mains. Remaining 5 mains will be in the next session. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.